It is Christmas Eve, and I don't know how many sausages Tom thinks I can eat, but that's
Colby had them. Colby, I said, Mama will eat them. He put them all on your plate right then.
Oh, it's a little bit more sausage.
Fruit, though.
Colby, what are we eating for breakfast?
They're green.
Pancakes.
Grinch
pancakes.
Grinch pancakes. They're green for the Grinch.
No, too big.
Green for the Grinch, and it's Tom. And Colby, you excited for Christmas Eve?
It is Christmas Eve today.
And who comes tonight? Santa. Have you been good? Very good. So it's Christmas Eve, and we usually get one present on Christmas Eve. And usually, Colby, it's pajamas, but you're kind of wearing your Christmas pajamas, and you've got lots and lots of them. So here's your present. I just brought this, and I did not wrap it.
What is
I
it?
just shoved it in newspaper.
Exactly.
All his presents are wrapped
That's exactly what he
properly.
wanted.
But Merry Christmas, Colby. What do you think? Lift it up so I can see it. Monster truck. Is it perfect?
Yes. It's great.
Race it.
Ooh, that goes fast. That
So-
up the hole.
So, who's your favorite action? Your favorite like action hero or favorite like superhero?
Hulk.
The Hulk, right? So I gave Colby this truck, and I haven't done any research. And he's like, "Mommy, it's the Hulk." Sorry, this is dirty because Tom just ate there. "Mommy, it's the Hulk. It's the Hulk." And I look it up, and it is the Hulk. I paid $2, and it's like $30. It is the Hulk. Colby knew. Colby, go make the Hulk smash the floor. Go Hulk smash. Our floor needs that. That's why the back is there. Hulk smash. That was a great find. We're gonna do Colby's calendar. Colby's the 24.
Oh no! Help me! Help me! Help me! I'm in danger!
All right, Colby. Open 24. What's 24?
I know it did.
You know what 24 is. What 2 letters is that? Numbers, sorry. Oh, he's gonna look on hours.
20.
24.
With a 2 and a 4.
That's right, a 2 and a 4. Good strategy using your
2 and
tools. A 2 and a 4. I'm gonna give you a clue. It's big. Big. Yeah, what's in there? Oh, it's a bigger bar. Yes. What one's tomorrow? The big Santa. Colby has just had a bath. He's all clean. Take a seat, Bubs. You're too cold to sit. He has all his life wanted a Kinder Egg, and we've never given him one. So I got one for myself as well. I brought some for today. So we're going to sit and we're going to eat our Kinder Eggs. Take a seat. Take a seat. And watch a movie.
Open this one.
Yeah. And get ready to go to Greg and Natasha's this afternoon. Unfortunately, Colby, you have to sit. It's too hard to film you. Unfortunately, Natasha's father sadly passed away. So I'm going to make her a card on my Cricut, which is set up over there. I have to design it and then cut it. So that's what I'm going to do. And Colby's going to warm up and watch a TV show for Christmas. I've opened the Kinder Egg, and this is not what they were like when I was young. So you used to like get a hard shell, and there was a plastic like toy in it that you open, but this is in parts. So I'm gonna try and open this. Colby, can you hold the camera on here? Where's your hands? Here's your hand. So hold your hand, hold the camera, and just keep it on the. Oh, that's your thumb. Yeah, right there. Hold. No, don't move it. Ready? Hold it there. Okay. So let's see. Up a little bit, Colby. So it's got this plastic thing. So I'm thinking it has like cream in here. I mean, I guess you could just read it and learn. Hang on. You're really wobbly. Oh, there's your toy. So I guess half of it's a toy. Okay. Oh, because kids are eating. Colby, over here because you're just filming your legs. So there's a toy.
I get it.
And this must be the candy. So that's kind of a
I want to get this out.
lame amount of
I
candy.
want to make a tree.
What did you get?
What is this?
What is this?
A map, I think.
You got, I don't know, I can't open it. It looks like you got a dog, no, you got a tree. You got a tree, so let's make a tree. Okay, I put the tree together, but those green things do not want to stay on there. And no, this is heads. That was a bit of a pain in the butt. And those are cardboard. So this is totally not going to last very long. But there it is. And then Colby has opened up the... Wow, it's thrown these as bits of tree. Bits of a tree. There's the inside. And I guess you use the... Watch out because your little legs are there. You use the scoop and scoop it out. So that's Colby's. I'm going to go ahead and open mine and see what toy I get. And I'll share that with you in just a minute. Hopefully it's not the same. There's mine. Mine was 1,000 times easier to put together. I think if you do this, he like jumps up. Yeah. Colby, pull it. Use your hand and make him jump. Do it hard. I don't know if he's supposed to jump high, but there we go. All right, now we're going to eat. I've already... Oh, it fell apart. I've already eaten half. The bowl's really good, but this is basically just frosted in a cup. It's not as good as I remember. We're into them. So Colby is having some pictures taken as Woody, just because we happen to have the hat. And Colby, let me see your boots. Boots. A little fast. All right, go stand by the tree while we're taking pictures and being silly. I have my cricket going over here, and hopefully my card comes out okay. We'll see. Is it centered? No, but hopefully it works. It says, our condolences to you for the passing of your father. There will never be another like him. And right now it looks terrible, so we'll see if it worked. I forgot to show you what the card looked like when it was finished. So first of all, I did it on brown card that was not from Cricket, and it didn't work. Then I did it on the green card with Cricket, and it didn't work. I made my like letters too close together. Then I did it on the green card with Cricket, and I fixed it to be pen. Only a part of it, our condolences, was still supposed to be cut out. And I didn't put the blade in far enough, so it like scored but didn't cut through. So I just spent half an hour coloring in the words our condolences because I refused to make it a fourth time. I have not showered yet, so I'm going to go upstairs and shower so I can get ready to go. But I've actually sealed the card, so I can't show you. But it is finished, and it does look pretty amateur, but I did do it. There's the bedding we brought yesterday from Goodwill, washed and dried and put on the bed. You can tell we have a toddler because there's his choice of pillowcase for the second pillow. There are two pillowcases, they're both on that one, but he wanted us to have that. And it's if you're into Star Trek, it's pretty cool. Yeah, we're excited. You can tell I don't iron bedding. And then this is what I'm wearing today. So I'm wearing these socks that say Prosecco Ho Ho. The sweater I wore the other day, but I have washed it. Just a black top to go underneath that no one will see. And gold sparkly pants from Torrid. And Colby's mismatched cozy socks. I was trying to find the pair. But there's my new bedding. And there's my outfit. And now I'm going to jump into the shower. Oh, and there's my... thread up ready for me to film, which I have not done yet. Bouncing? Are you dressed and ready to go?
Yes.
So I haven't really shown you my house too much because it keeps getting messed up by someone.
Me?
You. But let's have a look at over here. Oh, the light went strange. Oh, I know. I put my finger in the way. That's what happens when my finger goes in the way. So here we have.
I can show you something.
This was all tidy. But now it's not. It's my Grinch blanket.
I need to show you guys.
Hang on. Sort this out. And over here we have our gnome area and nutcracker area. There's like gnomes hiding in the gnome tinsel. And I don't really like his moustache, but I didn't get to fixing it this year. More gnomes, which I think are from Target, but I got from Goodwill. The same with the Santa. And I made this, which really is okay. Okay, hang on. And then there's my window. I made this last year, and that's a Dollar Tree sign that fits perfectly. The same here. And there's Colby's Kinder toys, which I'm sure I'm going to stand on. But I bought the gnome blanket for the Shay. I made this tree. We actually screwed holes in the wall for the what they call stockings. And there's the I made the candy canes the other day. My little deer. My couch that I just dressed Colby, so that's his pajamas. And that blanket needs to be straightened out. Yes.
Monster truck. Oh, monster truck.
What did you get today? Monster. And who is it? Hulk. And there's our tree. Has Santa asleep underneath of it. And Tom uses Colby's chair to like stockpile shoes. I don't know that, which should not be there, but this is real life. So there's the tree. And all the way up, so we decorate. So that's this whole room. Kind of tidy. Kind of ready for tomorrow. Kind of not. There it is. And then the rocking chair, which Tom keeps putting stuff in. Over here we have a display. This is going to be filled up with milk tonight. Colby, can we move this sleigh? I made the Colby's I made this Dollar Tree sleigh into the Grinch's sleigh. I'll move it into here. Oops. I made this into the Grinch's sleigh, and Colby keeps having, there's a bumble in there too. Colby keeps putting the Grinch in it, like he's stolen all the toys. Anyway, over here, Colby is stacking cups. So we have, this fell off the sleigh. Colby, it fell off the sleigh, the glue. Go put it in your sleigh and I'll mend it later. Oops, and there's trash from Colby's calendar. It's always trash somewhere. So that's this display, nice and simple this year. Nice and simple. And then out here, I believe the tree is not on. There's all my Cricut stuff. I brought up a whole bunch of, you saw Dollar Tree Cricut stuff. It is massively thinner in quality, but we'll see what we can do. There's my Cricut. And we still haven't put away the extras from the gingerbread house. Some crafts that we have not yet got to. There's my tree. And over here we just have lots of tinsel. I know people hate tinsel and it's not cool, but I like it. It's kind of glittery. And my calendar, which Colby has been trying to get me to open all morning. I haven't had time. And Tom made him this garage, which he shoved the tree into. I got so sick of Colby playing my trees that I just gave him his own Dollar Tree tree to play with.
I like it like that.
I know you do. And then this is a work in progress. It's going to be a gnome. He needs,
look at this.
Yeah, hang on, Colby. He needs more beard, but I got fed up. So that will probably be finished next year. And my tree, my little tree that Colby and I made together. And then my favorite part of the house, which is my gingerbread hot chocolate cocoa bar. So it's all gingerbread themes. Now Colby's going to be in the way. Colby, move out the way. Oh, you've been eating your gingerbread house. Yes, you have. Snacking on it. Not too much, though. So there's my little gingerbread section. That's my favorite part of my decorations. Well, apart from the tree. And there's the snowman that Colby and I made. And we have a big Santa. And really, that's it. Oh, Tom washed the floor. It doesn't look like it's been washed, but... And those blinking stickers that kids get that don't come off and you have to scrub them up. But that's it. That's our house tour. Oh, let's go at the front of the house. Colby, let's go to the front of the house and show the decorations we did out the front. Seen the Christmas pig, and there's our red and green lights. But let's go around the front here. There's the bells that I made from Dollar Tree wreath forms. And some, some bells. Let me zoom in on that. The wreath that I made. The monster truck crashed. Hang on. Whoop, whoop. And the bells. And then Tom mopped the floor. So I don't know why he puts it out the front, but he does. And then there's the elf tree. And the other day I said it said that the elves are watching you. But it actually says Santa's elves see everything. Which might be creepier. I don't know. But that's out the front of our house.
I want to drive this.
You want to drive it? You're really enjoying that. Don't let it go on the road. All right, Colby, let's go in and get Dad. And in case you're wondering, this is what I look like now with my glittery pants. I've got slippers on. We're just going to kind of chill at their house, our friend's house. Did I say we're going to our friend's house? I'm sure I did. We're going to our friend's apartment, and we're just really going to chill. It's Christmas Eve. We got some charcuterie, Tom's big Lunchables.
2 Gregs.
And?
2 Gregs.
And who else lives there?
Jaja.
Natasha. Yeah, so we're going to go to our friend's house. We're really just going to chill. So we're going to kind of wrap this video up.
And Greg and Natasha are Daddy's friends.
That's right. And are they Mummy's friends too?
Yes, Natasha is.
Okay.
And Greg's is.
Okay, so we're going to wrap this video up. It's been a bit all over the place.
And
It's here. Tomorrow it is coming. We're going to do the carrot and the milk and the read the night before Christmas and all of that. But that stuff we're going to do without filming it.
and this tree fell down. Otherwise,
I'm going to wrap some presents for Greg and Natasha right now. Hang on, Colby. For Greg and Natasha right now, I like to not really share what I'm giving Colby. I feel like what you give your son or your children, it's kind of personal. We all have a different amount that we can give. And I just like to, Colby, you know me. I like to just keep that personal. So that's why you haven't seen me wrapping or what I'm gifting my son. Although I can tell you it's pretty Hulk related. That's what he's really into. A lot of Avengers. But that's tomorrow. So Merry Christmas. I hope you've enjoyed the season. I hope you have a great day tomorrow.
You can't say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, but Colby, this is the last video until Christmas Day.
Yay.
So who's coming?
Santa.
Santa Claus is coming to town. Oh yeah.
Yay.
Anyway, Merry Christmas. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Be safe.
Yes, and the tree doesn't Christmas tree.
I'm not sure what that was. But be safe and Colby.
I said the Christmas tree under your tree.
All right. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. We'll post
Merry Christmas to
a quick
everybody.
video tomorrow to end Vlogmas. We'll just say Merry Christmas. And we're going to take a week off and we'll see you in 2022. Say Happy New Year. Happy Merry Christmas.
And Vlogmas Day.
And Vlogmas Day. This is Vlogmas Day 24.
Hug,
Oh,
hug, hug,
oh,
hug.
big hug.